the Sea to Summit Dry Light Micro Towel. Now, I know that people use this for camping and traveling and hiking and all that fun stuff. I have used it for that, but what I use it for every single day, and I'm just opening it so I can show you. It's 24 this way by 48 this way. And as you can see, it's relatively thin, but do not let that fool you because it's made of this, it's 30% polyamide and 70% polyester. If you're used to like a microfiber rag, and those are much thicker and they have like those, you can kind of see the little loops, it's not like that. It feels very plush. I mean, I'd almost be tempted to liken it to like a velvet, except, you know, velvet wouldn't be really good at drying. Couple things that I love about this is this at the gym. I drape it over whatever I'm gonna sit on before I lift. So that way I'm not in contact with, because you know some people aren't great about wiping down the equipment. It does have this, which is fantastic, and I do use this all the time. So after I come home from the gym, I will like hook it to the little pole thing outside. That way it can sit there and dry. And if you're camping or hiking, obviously you want this thing to dry. So it dries out and it dries so fast. I have never had an issue with this kind of smelling like mildewy or whatever. This one comes with this and a face towel and a little tiny like body wash thing, but I don't have that with me because that's not what I use it for, but it is so fantastic for the gym. Machine wash and dry that, so it's low maintenance, which I love. I have literally had this thing for like 7 or 8 years and it is still in, I mean, you guys can see the seams. There's no, like nothing on the seams is coming loose. I mean, I have good money to say that I would have this thing for the rest of my natural life. Plus it's pink. I'm just showing you like how small you can fold it because it is so nice and thin. But again, don't let that fool you about its ability to be able to dry. And then again, you can hang it here. You can roll it up and secure it with this. So for whatever you might need this for, this towel, well worth the money. I absolutely love it. So I hope you found that helpful and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.